Hello my floaty friends and my floaty lovers. Remember that if you want to learn Flutter, you are in the right channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want to learn more, I invite you to subscribe here and also to watch the whole video. That's helped us a lot. Do you know how this help for this channel? So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add images to our Flutter project. It's really easy. Just follow these steps. Number one, here we have a folder that it calls images, and I have 3 images that we are going to use in this project and other projects that we're going to make. We have to drag and drop these images folder to our project. Here we go. Then we have this pop-up this window and click refactor. Here we have our 3 images ready to use. Step number 2, we have to open our postspec.yaml file. Here we go. This postspec.yaml it's to read our plugins, our fonts, and also our images. We have to go here where we have the examples of our images or how to add images. It's not really nice, but anyway, we can get better of this. Here we are going to follow this. We are going to read assets. It's really important. See these blank spaces that I leave in here. It's really important. If we don't have this one, we can have an error in our project. So here we have, and then our name of our folder. That in this time is images. We have to save. Remember, the spaces are really important. Now ready to use it. Now we go to images. Every time we change the postspec.yaml file, we have to get dependents to read all the changes. And now we are ready to go. We are going to use our image widget. Here, where goes the image, we're going to image.asset, and then we only need to write the path of our image. Here we have images/1.jpg, and here we have a Mario Bros. We can also add the property width, and then I don't know, in pixels. Our width is not very useful, I know it, but it's only to show you that they have more properties. Also, we can read images from the network. It's also that easy. If you want to see it, only stay it. We only comment this child image dot network here as a string. We go our network, select our image, okay, copy, and then paste. Okay, here we have our URL. And here save, and here we have our image from the network. That is easy to add images to our Flutter project. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you don't like it, also subscribe. It helps a lot. And also write a comment if you want to see any kind of Flutter project or code that you want to know. Please let us know. And see you in the next tutorial, my Flutter friends, my Flutter lovers. See you next time. I want to see you, all of you. Ciao.